Hey pros and go-getters, welcome back to the channel. If you're a busy professional juggling meetings, deadlines, and that endless hustle, you know your everyday carry, or EDC, is your secret weapon for staying organized, productive, and ready for anything. Today, we are diving into professionals reveal their top everyday carry essentials, a curated list of 10 must-have items straight from the pockets, bags, and desks of real execs, freelancers, and office warriors. I've pulled these from top Amazon picks as of October 2025, focusing on affordability, durability, and real-world utility, all backed by glowing customer reviews. We'll break down each one, highlighting the key features that make them shine, how they fit into a pro's daily grind, and why they're game changers. Whether you're commuting, brainstorming in a cafe, or powering through a late-night session, these essentials will level up your game. Stick around to the end for my top pick, and let's get into it. Number 1. Amazon Basics Desk Drawer Organizer. Kicking things off with a workspace hero, the Amazon Basics Desk Drawer Organizer. This sleek black steel mesh tray is all about turning drawer chaos into organized bliss, perfect for pros who need quick access to their tools. It features 6 compartments, 2 rectangular ones for longer items like pens or scissors, and 4 square ones for smaller stuff like paper clips or sticky notes, so everything has its place. The durable steel construction ensures it holds up to daily rummaging without bending or breaking, and the rubber pads on the bottom prevent slipping or scratching your desk surfaces. Measuring compactly, it fits most standard drawers without wasting space. Imagine starting your day pulling out exactly what you need, no more digging. Customers rave about its sturdiness and perfect fit, with one saying it's absolutely perfect for organizing office supplies and lasting a lifetime. If you're tired of messy drawers derailing your focus, this is your EDC foundation. Number 2. Moleskine Classic Notebook. No pro's EDC is complete without a trusty notebook, and the Moleskine Classic Notebook is the gold standard for capturing ideas on the fly. This slim, pocket-friendly journal boasts a durable leather-like cover that's tough enough for travel or daily commutes, with an elastic closure band to keep pages secure and inner storage folders for loose notes or business cards. Inside, you'll find thick, ivory-colored, acid-free pages that are textured perfectly for writing with ballpoint pens, fountain pens, or pencils. No bleed-through or smudging. The rounded corners prevent fraying, and the expandable back pocket is ideal for stashing receipts or mementos. Choose from ruled, plain, dotted, or squared layouts to match your style, whether you're journaling, sketching, or bullet-pointing tasks. Picture jotting down a breakthrough idea during a client lunch. This notebook's classic design screams professionalism. Travelers and bullet journalists love it, with reviews highlighting its gift quality feel and flawless pages. For pros who blend digital and analog, this is an essential brain dump tool. Number 3. USANOOKS Microfiber Cleaning Cloth Gray. In a world of screens and gadgets, the USANOOKS Microfiber Cleaning Cloth is a pro's unsung hero for keeping everything spotless. This ultra-absorbent gray cloth uses a unique 10x grip root weave that acts like plant roots, trapping and locking away up to 10x its weight in liquid, dust, grime, or fingerprints, way faster than cotton rags. At 2.5 millimeters thick, it's durable and lint-free, so it won't scratch your phone, laptop, glasses, or car dashboard. It lasts over 1,200 washes without pilling, shedding, or bleeding color thanks to Ovalock braided stitching. The rapid dry layers ensure a swirl-free shine every time, and it's machine washable for easy maintenance. Imagine wiping down your workstation after a coffee spill. No streaks, no fuss. Customers call it a must-have for perfectionists, praising its power to soak up messes faster than a sponge and its eco-friendly longevity. For pros who demand a polished look, this cloth is EDC gold. Number 4. Smart Water Bottle with Reminder to Drink Water. Hydration is key to peak performance, and this smart water bottle with reminder to drink water is like having a personal coach in your bag. This BP-free, food-grade plastic bottle features a built-in sensor that tracks your sips via an app, calculating intervals based on your goals and reminding you with spinning LED lights and unique sound alerts which you can mute for meetings. The app lets you set custom reminders, view sipping history, and adjust for your schedule. No more guessing if you're hydrated. It's leak-proof with a secure screw-on lid, flip-top spout, and integrated straw, plus a hanger for easy carry. The rechargeable battery powers the alerts, and the whole bottle is fully submersible for washing up to 1 meter deep. with removable parts for deep cleaning. Picture getting a gentle flash during a long call. Sip, recharge, and stay focused. Customers love its life-changing reminders, noting it's ideal for commuters and a greener alternative to single-use bottles. For pros battling dehydration fog, this is a smart EDC upgrade. Number 5. Ludos Clamor Wired Earbuds. Tune out distractions with the Ludos Clamor Wired Earbuds, a budget-friendly audio essential for calls, podcasts, or focused music. These earbuds come with a standard 3.5mm plug for wide compatibility, including iPhones via adapters, delivering rich audio with powerful bass, balanced mids, and clear treble. The built-in mic and call receiver let you answer /end calls or play /pause with a single button, while ergonomic memory foam tips, 3 sizes included, provide noise isolation and a snug, comfortable fit that stays put during commutes or workouts. The 4.2-foot tangle-free braided cable is durable, and the carry pouch keeps them protected. Imagine hopping on a noisy train and instantly zoning into your workflow. Customers praise the great sound quality and comfort, with mixed durability notes, but solid value for the price. For pros needing reliable, no-fuss audio, these are EDC MVPs. Number 6. Hongdian M2 Black Forest Mini Rollerball Pen. Elevate your note-taking with the Hongdian M2 Black Forest Mini Rollerball Pen, a compact powerhouse for pros on the move. This army green aluminum pen measures just 4.13 inches long and weighs 0.42 ounces, but its streamlined design and anodized finish make it feel premium and durable, resisting scratches and peeling. The 0.5mm fine tip delivers quick-drying black ink that's smudge-proof, ideal for fast jotting without smears. The mechanical spring-loaded clip secures it to pockets or notebooks, and the comfortable grip prevents fatigue during long sessions. It's refillable for endless use, and the precision engineering ensures smooth, skip-free writing. Picture pulling this out in a meeting. It looks sharp and performs flawlessly. Customers love the impressive build quality and smooth nib, with some noting the fine tip's precision despite minor ink flow tweaks. For pros who value elegance and portability, this pen is a standout EDC. Number 7. Buffway Slim Minimalist Front Pocket RFID Blocking Leather Wallets. Streamline your carry with the Buffway Slim Minimalist Front Pocket RFID Blocking Leather Wallet, a sleek essential for security-conscious pros. Measuring just 3/1/8 x 4/7/16 and ultra-thin at 1/8 empty, it's made from premium synthetic leather that's durable, stylish, and lightweight. It blocks RFID signals to protect your cards from digital theft with 8 slots for IDS, credit cards, and cash, including a clear window for quick badge access and side pockets for business cards. The minimalist design fits discreetly in pockets or bags without bulging. Imagine traveling light while keeping your info safe from scanners. Customers call it surprisingly spacious and a perfect unisex gift, praising its RFID protection and everyday toughness. For pros who hate bulky wallets, this is EDC simplicity at its best. Number 8. FYY Travel Cable Organizer Pouch Electronic Accessories Carry Case. Tame Tech Tangle with the FYY Travel Cable Organizer Pouch, a pro's best friend for keeping gadgets in check. This compact 7.5 case is made from durable, waterproof Oxford fabric with soft sponge padding inside to protect your gear. It features double layers, one side with mesh pockets for cables up to 3 feet, chargers, and earbuds, and the other with elastic loops for USB drives or adapters, enough space for your phone, mouse, and more. The smooth zipper and hand strap make it portable for bags or travel. Imagine unpacking at a client site with everything neatly organized, no more fumbling. Customers love its well-thought-out compartments and travel utility, with some noting it's great for backpacks despite size limits for longer cables. For gadget-heavy pros, this pouch is EDC organization perfection. Number 9. Power Bank 10,000 mAh Portable Charger. Power through your day with this 10,000 mAh portable charger from Yoban, a slim beast for pros who can't afford downtime. At just 0.39 inches thick and 0.45 pounds, it's ultra-portable with an 8-layer protection system against overcharge, short circuits, and overheating. It features 3 outputs, 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C for charging up to 3 devices at once up to 2.4A, plus 2 inputs for recharging via USB-C or micro USB. Compatible with iPhone, Samsung's, Pixels, and more, it juices an iPhone 14 2.3 times or AirPods Pro 15 times. The LED indicator shows battery life, and it's airline approved. Imagine keeping your phone alive during a full-day conference. Customers praise its stable charging and 3-year support, calling it a must for commuters. For power-hungry pros, this is EDC Energy Insurance. Number 10. Tile by Life 360 Mate. Finally, never lose track again with the Tile by Life 360 Mate, a smart Bluetooth tracker for pros who juggle multiple items. This compact device attaches to keys, bags, or bottles with a 350-foot range, ringing with the app or triggering SOS alerts to loved ones in emergencies. It's water-resistant IP68 with a 3-year battery and integrates with Life 360 for family mapping. Use it to find your phone even on silent or share locations. Imagine locating your misplaced laptop before a presentation. Stress averted. Customers love its usefulness for forgetful folks and seamless app, though some note battery non-replaceability. For pros prioritizing safety and efficiency, this tracker is an EDC lifesaver. There you have it, 10 Pro revealed EDC essentials that'll keep you prepared, polished, and productive in 2025. These picks blend practicality with innovation based on what real professionals swear by. Which one's joining your carry? Drop a comment with your EDC must-haves, smash that like button if this inspired your kit, and subscribe for more gear reviews and pro tips. Links to all these in the description. Go grab them and conquer your day. Thanks for watching. Stay hustling.